There's a Fender Deluxe, and it's a, you know, it's a newer Fender, and it's filthy for starters. Just doing a preliminary check out. Definitely has some trouble there, probably pot. I think there's an input jack problem. It's probably not much. He probably needs it cleaned and circuit board touched up some. But I'll find out more when I get inside. Okay, we're still checking out this Fender, and I'm in the clean channel right now. And just checking out the waveform. It looks kind of crappy, but at least it's sort of a sine wave. I got everything at 12 o'clock. That's noise. He's got problems, but let's see. Get some noise. See, that's noise on your pots right there. And just, okay. Now let's go over here to the storage channel. I wouldn't even want to hear this thing right now. Let's see what we got. That's getting better. I think first thing I got to do is clean it, and then we'll see what the problem is.